Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. With everything going on, I think it's really important to take some time for yourself to relax and unwind. So today I'm sharing how to make your own DIY bath bombs. Alright, so in a medium-sized bowl, mix together 1 cup baking soda, half a cup citric acid, half a cup cornstarch, and half a cup sea salt or epsom salt. This will also be listed in the description box below. Next, mix in 1.5 teaspoons olive, vegetable, or almond oil, and 3 to 4 drops of your favorite essential oil. This is also when you'll add your food coloring. Now slowly add drops of water into the mixture. You want it to be moist enough to form into shapes that hold, but be careful not to add too much moisture or it'll begin to fizz. So you have to work pretty quickly here. You can honestly use anything to shape the bath bombs. If you have one, you can use one of those fancy little bath bomb molds. But if not, ice cube trays, cookie cutters, measuring cups, even your hands work just fine. Make sure to press down on the mixture and pack it tightly. Next, let the bath bombs sit in the molds for about 5 to 10 minutes. Afterwards, carefully remove them from the molds and place the bath bombs down on a paper towel or parchment paper. Let these harden or dry for 24 hours. The next morning, my bath bombs were done and they look super cute. These are an excellent gift and fizz really well. If you've ever tried Lush bath bombs before, these are no different. Plus, they're a lot more affordable and fun to make. So that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed and maybe tried out some of these bath bombs yourself. If you did, I appreciate it if you'd like this video. That helps me a whole bunch. And while you're at it, why not subscribe and turn on the post notification bell? Feel free to check out my other videos and I'll see you next time. Bye!